Hi viewers, why does cryptocurrency have become more significant in this era? In today's video, we are going to look into 15 reasons why you should invest in crypto. Number 1, it'll be the main currency in future. Crypto removes banks and governments by offering a decentralized, secure banking system. With 200 million individuals predicted to utilize digital money by 2030, Deutsche Bank's 2030 report emphasizes the fragility of established monetary systems. Bitcoin will eventually take the place of paper money, according to Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, and cryptocurrency is a better way to transmit value than paper, according to Elon Musk. Number 2, you need to get familiarized with the technology. Staying ahead of the digital transformation requires familiarity with blockchain technology. Though some people might oppose the change, it is still feasible to catch up. We already rely on the internet for communication and information, and eventually blockchain-based financial transactions will too. This is the ideal moment to use blockchain if you haven't already. Don't wait for the chance to change to accommodate the future. Number 3, you will position yourself better for opportunities in this space. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have a great deal of growth and profit potential. If you invest in Bitcoin early on, you may see a value gain of up to 1.9 million. The growth and profit potential of other cryptocurrencies, including as Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and Ripple, is likewise quite high. But in order to choose which coins to buy, one needs to learn and acquire expertise. It's time to learn about cryptocurrencies and identify market prospects. Number 4, it's a solid alternative for saving your money. Because of its recent inception and widespread use, cryptocurrency is a more volatile alternative than traditional currency. Over time, inflation may cause a decline in purchasing power, and bank accounts could not provide the same degree of security. Even with its volatility, cryptocurrencies have risen in value since their first decline in 2018, exceeding bank interest rates and becoming a great option for long-term savings. Number 5, you are safe from inflation. Traditional money has a serious problem with inflation as central banks and the government regularly intervene to reduce the value of the currency. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin might be a good option during hard times. In 2020, the Federal Reserve created 22% of the money in circulation by pumping $6.4 trillion into the economy. However, inflation results from a decline in the value of money relative to goods and services. Cryptocurrency is inflation-proof because, like gold, it doesn't create as a temporary fix for financial problems and keeps its worth. Number 6. It's way easier to get into crypto than you thought, because it is more liquid than traditional assets and doesn't require a PhD in finance or programming. Cryptocurrency is more accessible than traditional assets. Users may easily purchase and sell cryptocurrencies without the requirement for a sizable sum of money and without the need for institutions or paperwork. In addition to being more accessible than stocks and bonds, cryptocurrency appeals to people who are interested in the wealth and technology revolution. Number 7. No one controls your money. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, is an electronic money that is not regulated by banks or governments. Thousands of users who have installed the Bitcoin software on their computers are responsible for thousands of nodes that store its code. This approach has several benefits over banks, including speedier transaction speeds and continuous operation. Unlike bank clearance procedures, which take 48 hours, Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes. Number 8. The best security on the market. Bitcoin is safe and secure even in the absence of a major organization keeping an eye on it. The transmission of digital currency to new users and the ongoing recording of transactional data are what give it its security. Tens of thousands of people have recorded this data, so even if one user makes a mistake, the others will be able to correct it. A network is a dependable option for transactions if it is larger and more secure. Number 9. The lowest fees by far. Users set the costs for cryptocurrencies, trying to keep them lower than those charged by stockbrokers for investments. This is especially true for international payments, for which banks impose substantial fees. But with cryptocurrency, no institutions profit from these money transactions, which helps companies and accelerates the technology's uptake. Because of this substantial benefit for company owners, it is anticipated that the rate of adoption of cryptocurrencies will continue to rise. Number 10. Blockchain is here to stay. The internet-based blockchain technology serves as the basis for cryptocurrencies such as Facebook and Google, as well as Bitcoin. In addition to being a tool for recording complicated data, Pfizer, Walmart, Siemens, and Unilever are just a few of the businesses who utilize it for safe data storage. Blockchain is used by healthcare providers to manage patient medical information. It may also be used in elections to track votes and do away with the need for recounts, as well as property ownership records. Number 11, high returns if done right. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Ripple have increased significantly in value despite the outbreak. The value of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, increased from $1,195 to around $1,627.11, while the value of Ripple increased from 30 cents to 50 cents. Investing in these cryptocurrencies is a smart idea because of their limitless supply and resilience to inflation. Number 12, it's in limited supply. Because there is a finite quantity of cryptocurrencies, they do not face inflation as traditional currencies do. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever be issued, according to the source code, and 21 million have already been mined. To find hidden bitcoins, miners use powerful computers to solve challenging mathematical puzzles. Since new bitcoins are created every 4 years, there is a limited quantity and no chance of inflation in contrast to traditional money. Because of this, cryptocurrency is a more reliable and effective form of payment than conventional money. Number 13. The price is dictated by the market. Governments may control the value of traditional money by printing more money and manipulating interest rates, but the free market determines the value of cryptocurrencies. Because cryptocurrency accounts are pseudonymous and let people to buy and sell it without disclosing their name, governments are unable to freeze or investigate them. Because of this, cryptocurrencies are a more adaptable and controlled form of payment than fiat cash. Number 14. It's at an early stage and already disrupting market. Cryptocurrency has just recently emerged after the introduction of Bitcoin in 2009, but for the next 10 years, development is anticipated to be much more remarkable. The rate at which cryptocurrencies are being adopted has paralleled the growth of the internet in the 1990s, and Deutsche Bank projects that this trend will continue. Like the internet, blockchain will have an ongoing effect on markets. Number 15. Big business is taking it seriously. Major companies including Microsoft, AT&T, McDonald's, KFC, Subway, Virgin Galaxy, Norwegian Air, Twitch sports clubs, and Wikipedia already take Bitcoin. However, because Bitcoin payments are erratic, several businesses are still apprehensive. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will ultimately be accepted as payment options by a lot of big businesses. Traditional currencies will give way to less expensive alternatives like salt, wool, and shells in future transactions. It's critical that we make the decision to either embrace or reject this transformation as we traverse it. Whether you tell your grandkids about this or accept that you were left out is entirely up to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment in the comment section below.